Hi, welcome to Shop Stop. Today we want to spend a little time talking about sprayer pumps, the different kinds, and the way that we would use those.
Okay, well, we have three different kinds here. On the left, my left, is a diaphragm pump, a positive displacement pump. This is a centrifugal pump, and then this one is a roller pump with there's the front taken off where you can see what is actually in there.
I think the two things we think about when we look at pumps is, first, what kind of displacement is it? When it's a positive displacement pump like the diaphragm or the roller pump, that means it's going to push out a fixed amount of liquid every time it turns around. The centrifugal pump, though, is actually just got a vane inside of here, and as it spins, it just forces the fluid out that way.
So you can typically get a higher capacity out of the centrifugal pump more than the positive displacement pumps. So you need to figure out what you require for your particular spraying need.
As a general rule, kind of decent pressure, pretty low capacity out of the diaphragm pumps. They're fine for little small sprayers. Centrifugal pump, like Wayne said, high capacity but pretty low pressure. You're not going to get 120 psi out of this pump, more like 50, 60, pretty good. The roller pump, again, positive displacement, not as high of capacity, but much higher pressure you can get out of this pump than the others.
Another thing about these is, obviously, this one has its own electric motor. This can be PTO or hydraulic driven, as the same with these, with the positive displacement pump, the roller pump here on the end.
Think about speeds. Generally, this pump can run at the 500, 600 RPM level, so you can couple it straight to a PTO shaft. The centrifugal pump is going to require a higher speed, so now we're talking about a belt-driven system, and so it's a little more complex for putting it on. Simple, easy to use, and probably one of the most common pumps on some of our smaller sprayers.
So that's a little bit of a description of the different types of pumps available for your sprayer systems.
We'll see you next week on Shop Stop.